I'm Erik the Travel Guy. Here are my top 5 steps to traveling local. Remember to subscribe to my channel while we go through this. Now, first, the idea of local travel or traveling locally or localish travel is pretty easy to grasp here, all right? Due to COVID-19 or budget or scheduling constraints or some combination thereof, the idea of taking a local trip may be an attractive solution for a getaway. So step 1, definitions. Traveling local essentially means a smaller, scaled-back version whereby you drive to a place closer to your home. Now, step 2, drive time. I break it down by how many hours you can successfully drive in one day. So to make it easy, just get out a map and find your town. Then draw 3 circles around your town, one at 3 hours, one at 6 hours, and one at 9 hours. I believe about a 9 hours drive in one day is the maximum distance without losing your mind. Step 3, inspiration and planning. Start your research and discussions about places, experiences, or activities you'd like to include on your trip. Consider how many nights you're going to spend on this vacation. Like any other vacation, also consider your budget. Your largest expense on any local vacation is most likely going to be your hotel. On that note, I suggest looking for a branded or flagged hotel that you recognize, like Marriott, Hilton, or Holiday Inn, which is locally owned. This way, you've got the peace of mind of the transparency of the updated health and cleaning standards, and you're supporting the local economy. See how this is all working? I love it. Step 4, trusted local information. Once you narrow down your options, check the official tourism bureau. You can find these organizations by Googling the name of the place you'd like to visit, plus the 3 letters CVB in the search. Most official tourism bureaus have up-to-date information about their destination on their homepage of their site, which includes local, state, and federal restrictions, etc. And step 5, of course, the final step is to book that trip and go. Have fun, and remember, one of the best ways to help restart the economy is by going on vacation. Pretty easy. I'm Erik the Travel Guy. Stay vacated, my friends. We release new travel videos every day on my YouTube channel at noon and 4 p.m. Eastern, so remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.